jipun kala ikijishna bagi jingtay jakapat ba oper ayaw do balabay din ka daka North Eastern Council bat ka jing ay jong ka CM Urban Livelihood Grant sa kinong yo duni hiyo do Shaban slang probation bung nakiyawan mi kumni shikin hun ay mensim ha ya asabka bapasyang ban ay kila oper na kabenta berkutiu ikinong susnong jong lajala ajing thapti jong phi nak benta jong phi baro aba itna berbay mensim lo kolong ba ngai kemba khanda na hispa kidi di kilong kubi sudah kinthai sudah ne atar ba pni kajing klo jing kinthai ban mi shakmat ban lam linti mo kajing thapti kilong kubi bar khai kibadan hni ro smar Before we proceed with the program, I would like to request Director of Urban Affairs Government of Meghalaya and CEO of Shillong Municipal Board, Sir P.K. Boro, to kindly felicitate our guests on the dais. At Manang Simpertek, Subhangnya Thapti, Ipiang Subhabiang Sashisi, Menteri Ramba Adela, Sri Conrad K. Sarma. Thapti katanya untuk buron ka karendia. Ipiang Subharu Sumber Menteri Ramba Bapak Jikatanan PWD Bapak Betul Kutsal. Ipiang Subhaya Sumber Menteri Ramba Bapak Urban Affairs Bisnya Balang Dahar. Ipiang Subhaya Kong Amperining Do MLA Bapak Commission and Corporation. Yang Subhai Ba Shanbor Shulai MLA Subhai ni Thapti. Ipriang Subhai Kong Arab Kurba DC Jokai East Khasi Hills District. Ipriang Subhai SIM Jokai Mamelim Ba Im Ainam Manik SIM Subhai ni Thapti Shukajak. Tabat sedang yang tadi kejingelang, ban ay kumplay ya baro, akot kepa, ikong Arab kurba Deputy Commissioner jogi East Khasi Hills, ban ay kejingkran jogi, subhangin, liang subhay I dari Thapti.
A very good afternoon to each one of you, our respected chief guests for today's program. Our Honorable Chief Minister of the State of Meghalaya, our Deputy Chief Minister, Prestone Tinsong, our Deputy Chief Minister, Mas Neobhal Nang Dhar, Director Urban Affairs, Boro, Madam Amperine Ringdo, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, our MLA, Shanbor Shulai, and the Director of North Eastern Council present here, AIM, Khana, and all the government officials present here. Hakani kapur na yang smobha ya baro bedan hakani kecingalam jini metarasmi ka bakoror kajing kublai kajing beriang smobha heartiest welcome kade shei Honorable Chief Minister Sri Conrad K. Sarma. Thank you, sir, for sparing your valuable time to be with this particular program where we're going to distribute the money to the shopkeepers in the Bazaar under the CM Urban Livelihood Grant, and also, sir, for your farsightedness, sir. So you've been here in Yodo on the 19th of May 2025. That was your first visit, sir. And within a matter of 5 months, sir, you have again visited the Bora Bazaar, whereby, sir, today we have seen that we've laid the foundation for the improvement of infrastructure and public amenities in Bora Bazaar. Sir, heartiest welcome once again. And just to inform you, sir, I was also part of the market settler before I joined the service. So I know, sir, that this place really requires upliftment. So that's why, sir, we're very grateful to you, sir, on behalf of all the shopkeepers in Bora Bazaar and also the vendors present here. Ngam ai kubleiru ni Deputy Chief Minister Jongi baro armut kibedan hangne ima restaurant pensong but ima sngya bhalang dhat kibalaya light pot nang bandan dekat lang bat ni hakan diga sngi kabakor don namta kinong shong yo baro hakan ni yo du ka Jongi ngai kubleiru yai Madam Dr. Basil Amprin Lingdo ibalong Minister Jong Kakwat Kakia I could play ru ye MLA jong lapan ma Sanbor Shulai. But I could play ru ye Director jong Urban Affairs iba PK Boro bala create ka program hakani kasni. Special welcome goes to Director NEC who is in charge of tourism and industries. Ye pa Ainam Manix aim ye Kimentri Baro kibadan hangin. XCM Penyat SAM, all the government officials present here. I am so honored to be giving you this welcome address today. As you all know, that market is the lifeline of each one of us present here. Kayo kadeka budlo. Ya baro kinang syong dukan dadi kinang syong madanha kami kayo du Jongi dadi kani kaplangja Jongi mo ya pi baro badnya ru syua panganjang kini kakam dadi iway na pi ni design hangni kayo so ngaso tho bhai ga jingdon kam ban pen kiu ya kani kayo ban pen itenat ban light naga ktie naga jingi ya ur naga jing betut kabadan hangni hapo yo Jongi Kani kayo kapit iru ya kajing long tadi ti dostur ka Jongi kumbala mention mantan kumbakandai ko tam ki nangwan syong kakani meeting ki long kumi tingi pidyang semua bahaya pi wei kirang ba ru kumjo ki pidyang semua bahaya pi ni she ong kumno ni sarong la ka jong mo ni sarong mahaban wan sa kayo wat ata kalong kumno ru ni sarong la ka jong pat kumjo ru ngin burom lam ya ki wei ru but snow deban ay burom ka bakrai Chief Minister jung ibayo ijngai but snow thu ikijing jong pi baro ban wan ban pen habril ban pen itenat ban wan ra ikijing kala ban don kata jing syong snan hayo hahat habang ilek ni wan wat ikinong piet ru kumju kani kade ni ki kasingi ong ba ni snow sarong ba ikijing lek khoi ndai habang ni pet pade ni don kamken pan kuat am tang hayang la jom dari hampo jaga bungiwan jadi kapiang jajung ni rungi dan lamban pen kuat pen subang mo jadi ke bakile government kalong kaban wan invest dan ek wan pen lut ka pisa jongka nang ba kan ka im nang sa long jongpi ni pelut por hayo palat eka prak dai kenta man kasni pat ketika jaga bungi syong ni smile kale ni pe ko di pe kinala baro bat ni niyo I bangidan kam sisya ban mana ita jingkala bala da kawan hadian bala wan ra ini jingkala inse yo I baka jingkala dur jangan dikai yo bat la da jingkala dur kai yo pemeten dan bun kibri bedang wan bala habang wan bun ha kibri ka bamon pa tandon ka jingkiu kai yo kokot ka jongpi bat hadian bala kiu kai yo kokot jongpi I kon ti jongpi ru kinang kiu bat hadian kiu kon jongpi kin wan biang ban pen bha shu ega ni ga jaga pat kan ya kunta pelun tat hadu ba baro ni nang yakiu ira dengan ai kuble yapi baro bedan hang ni Yang Sobha Session Pat Iway Way Nom the Jacob Tang Show. Kublai Bon Kajim Like Project Kublai.
Rishibun Tong Adam Kurba, Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills. Minta ban pensnap pat ya kini snap tilang. Jong kipat ba, jong karat, jong kahima. Yang subha, takjin tak ti kebejam, ipa im, aina manik im, berkeran hanya macam.
Haisi aba sub mapunan ni pibaro akum gani kasi na ay kublay kapang ya baro ki nong songyo kamtamnya ki la song na ki kobo sinam ang ni ko yodo pajongi ke kapanung kong ay ngu yoblay nong tao nong bu lai la ni ngi yo pa dia ton talan agadi kasi Kesni kapa terpang nak minta kejonghi dia keju ko nak beli Honorable Chief Minister jungi di Sri Conrad K. Sangma nangka di Deputy Chief Minister ma sengau halang hat bagi Sir Preston Tensong nangtang ai beli lui kong Amprin Linggo nangtai MLA jong South Shillong Rui Pak Fanbor Sulai Nangtang ay kublay terpang ni Yaki officer nakaliang jong sa NEC Nangtay ay Pak Guru ibalong ECU jong Shillong Municipal Board Nangtay ay Pak Penyat Rui ibala Idon lang kani kapur Pak Yaboro ki Bakrak Bala la ban penwandur ya ka yodu de ko por ke jongi Chief Minister di bala let la bon di bala wan hundre ila syukur matang ke jingkran hundre na kaliang ke jongi ila penpau iong ba tapnu kumnu ila ban penwandur no ya kani ke yodu ko balong ke yo ko he hang ni po tam hang ni po ri India ke jongi Adru ya jinga kublay kalit syupisia bayi song yo lem mupi bayo kanung long ka ba hu ipie ndre shwa bangin jam sini sekmat tam ne yapi gi nong song yo bun sien aba ni na kalian ko office ka jongi yo ngi pi ban register nama ba ni ngintip ba idon ka numut di nong song yo song manan ko yo du Andre lagi penmi ya kata ke notification dulu ya persiak iwan kirau so office ke jongi Andre kani kade ke jingha kan nakabenta jong ki Andre nama ko belen ni nakaliang ko office jongi kwa bantip adu ka nungun yung kwa ba hadian ba adoption karteng kumarlong menta ya kani ko first phase idon kumba south pa alignment apa itenat ke balong ba napadeng kini pabun ide kilong kami tingam kwa ba kiba syong na police bazar kan pois ni man yo ban ni ke jata jo kingang kwa kata bale ngau ngi officer in charge ngi po yo do ba sim ter teng shot ngi kiba syong sha yo do pat hadin kata ikitu kiba register ba kahima tadi boro kadi ke jinya tre lang ke jongi pat sarkar jelah lam tadi kiba dan ke jinya tre lang Kenam yo ban itu bentalan kali program. Kakaba nakaliang jongi Chief Minister nakaliang ka Urban Livelihood Grant. Insa ay ka jinirap kabak terpang yapi basyong yo ni po yodo. Isa kawe. Tadi ka jingyo ijengay. Kaba yu ijengay nama babale nakaliang jong sarkaro kikwahi ba ayo kan long kabukuit ka basuban padru ka ban pensuk yapi inong songyo hadian abud namar babalay kakamay kaji kamtam ya pi bala im hayo lagi po senang amding besuk bapinya shongyo ba chwe kani baro kadeka jingya tre langi bajongi ke jongpi baro di sakawai nasyukwa ban penpau lang hungi ma ba menta kasni kadeka si kha jong iba sanbor sulai di subha alang kajing hapku na ai ba mi kani kadeka si ka ba mi sa jing kan mau lang ba pi kinong shongyo mai yo ai gamat ka pha ka basai ko khlai di nakaliang jongaro ngan mamsim sui ko po nama babun hi sakran ni Chief Minister jongi ditang ni kintin iba kinyak ke jonga boleh sibo ni pi boleh bro bendan bertarang boleh sibo
boleh sibun pa im ai nam manik sien nak bentar kajing keslo besap tu pi ya kajing kloi jong ke hima ba yesnok tilang pat kijing tu babaha jong sarkar entah banyak semat kepada bro fresh sin yang subhan disebut Menteri Lembar Pepej Urban Affairs masnya kalau dah bangkram ni khas wang tapi
Honorable Chief Minister Sakonat K. Sangma, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sir Preston Tansong, he worked and the MD as a whole under his leadership. Sa kawairo, ngakan mau, hagapod brother with due respect sir, so many leaders come and visit, come and goes to see the Yaodo market and to see the Yaodo peoples. It seems to just go for seeking vote, but your visiting is listen their problem and help them at the same time. Thank you so much, sir. Kandi ke jongi ke sarkar ko pherba nik sarkar bala lek na marba bon se ni pendunaga tin ni jo trade ka kam. Harin simnai armai ke jingwan jo ICM i jongi. Iwan ra ke project ke ba khalai klur khat sau klur tam khat sau klur na ba khanai klur ke dai sau la nak banta ban penhe penbha penviet ikinu nu jidon kam to be yodu ke jongi ni song tho ke yodu ke dai ke wai ne ke yog borong bar etiklut baro hande ndala sari wan yuk jat aning yo isha ba we have to do something for the people of the state especially particularly ya ke yodu ke jongi ka first phase dan tre minta saya ke basal klur prapula minta ke sing ibu ya mon rim jong ni ke ba khalai klur kendai usaula kanu ke bam jam ke first but second phase ni dan pun kre minta ku mas pausan lai pro kurban complete igau do in all respects ngakwa bagi nongsong yo ke jongi I want sir one day the people of Shillong, particularly in Shillong, Yodo, Kinkot, Yodo Square one day. That's the one. Namang Shillong tu kejia babon, Shillong kam babon. Handai tak padon kilar kinting nek sarkar ni do kilang mapi. Ndai tangka development, ndai tangka infrastructure. Sakawairo and ke CM urban neighborhood grants bata kasi kibartistar. Indiyok kajingarap na sarkar kumasto hajar tam hawa haneng kani directly ban penhe penkamai kajing sengkam sengjam tapi hanok sarkar betul uli ni kwa bagi rujuk kin kiu kamai pateng dal kajong ka capacity pan kiu ka yo ka kot indong kinong kamai kinong pa ki balong well ki bagiling baro haneng nimla penle sindon kan simpor yes Imla mula kumbakwa di paiba anda ini persang sarkar hakano korkom dengan maximum possible kan ba kayo do kinusong yu tinong di babel takot ko namara kawai kasi cara dala depan improve igin jun kambaro kayo do dengan kendai kawai ni kayo buron buron tam hak infrastructure hak kayo kahat hak de katit hak kayo kakot namara lamde de bangabakla in the whole country kijungi kayo de kawin be tam de kayo do kacong itra lamde de pangabakla Tematagas ni yawan manikimen lang ba pigong suyo yawan ra ig developments but improve yung infrastructure in yo ig infrastructure pabiang kanang ba inong suyo ju kimlong giba sa ibay ni karparo ig tuig bang pa register ko mo ipaim mene so baba mo register ang skin face in persaman kawarom no man yo ig skim kat ba piyo nakaling ito nga po ang kontrasyon na ma-isiyam sa nang buong bin patay ba ani nga pagpaw isog mo ya sarkar jung ya tim mo kabinet baro kaway nama Kim Ju Thia nagbantay pa ba Kim Ju Thia nagbantay pa ba ni 3 minutes at 24 hours today na ka daw ni wat kuslay kanu bila lo gomen VRPQ kanu bila kanang ba kanlong padak ko biang ya kani kayo ka hangke jung suki le after phase 1 phase 2 phase 3 min sa tay biang nalor incentive financial support usia muspun mana basbet kaya ibigay niyo ay si banwa ada gini pitin kulay sibon di ginong rockbay pa na maklem dapi kani gibiting kamlong ba job dengan kan mau ba nanisik matong niya ite lang akanong benta kanang ba ninlong ba job ngamong ba job ninlong ba job ninra ay state ni hakaborong kraw tamba wait di na kinyo iba yes kayo do jong gaslong betalya it is one of the best you do at country Barok ko daging itintin kublay sibon kublay
Kublay sibon masnya barang lahat mentapag ipay siya akunhon lasabdo na malim mawan kinay hangi kapawar sa panglayodo
Siya jargo iblay try ra badan kat perintah ni cukup lai kalat ya kahima melim banyak sarkar MDA banyak isar konrad manik sar konrad mas yang mado prestun ibadai kikle ke sarkar but ki municipal urban affair but kumtu ya kadisi is kasihel Kimentri baki nang siyang sinang yo. Kakertang janga kaday may bantas kang sintang ng hat. Mapanmaap na pi. Nakamdan kabambiang namar iba akabar. Iday imama janga iklampoy lang hakane kaklimat kabamta. Tamantangan sedang nahi yakapawa. Ohoy! 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 Hoy! 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 Ho! Ohoy! 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 Hoy! 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 Ho! Rasha play. Hoi kiu. Hoi kiu. Wat ang bala kendang, wat ang bala kendang, oh wat ang bala tre. Golak to da sendang, let shabat kalat penche. Hoi kiu. Hoi kiu. Amin tay kamit up, amin tay kamit up, amin tay kaya las tay, mapitila tip-top, yodo bapli layam kusay. Hoi kiu. Hoi kiu. Ya tray lang da kamon, piki siya hagi babu, nakaya mahajon, kinang rep ni gida ju. Hoi kiu. Hoi kiu. Dapen rengka jembut, jaga kabanga ong, wat ko utang kakle, nangker ngak pada itdong. Hoi kiu. Hoi kiu. Kado ketang yawai, to blai ondan dekat, ngen bo tang ching duwai, ban ya goi ban ya kiakan. Hoi kiu. Hoi kiu. Hoi kiu. Kublai shibut.
Kublai shibun saya sin ya penhun last dot namanya bawan. Pastor Tinsong, berbaik ya ke PWD Department, ban kan huni hafmat juga. Itu yang sobha ada di tahap 3 jam.
Chief Minister Badan Burong Jongi, Bolong Chief Guest Kayau du Jongi kadai kabala dap ya kaspas ne. Atrai snow bah ya let pan pai saka history jong kayau du ba Jongi kadai kayau kaba shongkun kaba shongblei baru kadai kayau kaba don kaburong ban kentiu ya kecela ya kari bat kacet penriu Jongi Barokoi. Dehnrei hakajiyat genti jong kadai kayau hapo ajin peniat jong usim melit nadu kangadang rit hadu kadai khidmat kabamentang nampak sien panyo i ya keriko bahkan don kasorka kabat ai jingarap ya kane ka yaudu lemba jong ka office jong usim kahima melin like no hakane ka sorkar kabamenta ladana kren punta long tik kung bangayaro ya ladi mereka ong ya pi whatsapp ya ka jingkren uba presdun namarude yu politician let haiden hima pi ban puli ya ka history kata kadai kabadot kami saya compare mapi la kadai ne en gaji shisha kaba iba yu presdun ni kren metakan haisni Jan ar folklore ka phase 1 ka phase 2 ban pen internet ya kayo ni. Imasgaw bah manila ong kandon sa ka phase ka balay ka bakaddo bangin pendet ya ka jimpen internet ya ka di yodu jong hi parokoi. Bat ngagit scam la dagila ban pendet sa ka phase ka balay. Baro nginyalik yung lot ayong do Malaysia a police baja Balay nga og butang magpabon kay balay kiyaw ang pulis pa dyan nay ipatpa yung ikabaslo standard. Bis madok masih madok ha. Siya kersut pa bro yo COVID panban. Hakan ni ka beautification ka banginle sa ka phase 3 kan mau bahakan kam itnat ka yaudo ban ya ka pulis pa dyan. Kani kakamram kabangi ka sorka ngile mday nakabenta ka jibentoy ukon rat kani prestun na uskobha. Lay de ban mentoy mapi ki padba. Ni sultanat menta ka ganti sa sipang ni asam ya gache. Sipo hajar tengka. Di ong skobha register. Kini ki kendiat ski barok-barok yate hulut pan register. Balay teng hana pensoy pensyak ki politician ki ong war register na pensyak be na yodo ap ngan batai ya pi nalai kren ma pada paim kane ki yodo kadai kapa kontrol da usim kahimam lem ndai jongno ro idisi la ban be ya pi municipal la rai ban be ya pi kane kade kabat kontrol da kahima melin tengi habengi yo ya kecing jenjar chief minister badan burong jungi wong tong nya perkat nya la ya ki bapli ki basamadan na jo to ipi hadum tai matang masaus patam lihat ki beregister lembaga office musim melin Klay habang supet mga time duna ay kasi ajar tam ki bompat register. Kibi nang ne ong yito ki marjan dia song yaw lang kilik register wood ang office jong tayo. Bangin ay ya ita ituken yo. Kaktin kasi ong tangkung ibay daw na sorkar. Habok ka jigelam jo ukon rat sama itai jing edaw ni ai sipo hajar tengka pat itai sipo hajar tengka ngan next camp kan long ka jing kerku ya ki long ye ki long sen bat pindat wai na kalian ke sorka ki pait ba basyong yaw hantai hata slap hata leer hata ta akasih Hinyo ya ke jingker ku lengba jota sarkar MD. Ngim keren da kaktin. Ai baka kam kan keren kamjan ban kaktin. Naman kata piyadon hang ni krui. Ngin sa ai ya ka check jom. Bat ka kubor ka babaha ka bangakwa ban ong ha ka ni kapor. Nakerpat mo kibabon ba ki agency ki bala panya aji garap lang ya ki nong syong ya ujogi hang ya yodo nakerpat ke discuss film de ko in bala le ta ple bimle so bale use it gotol mo ki le e ka bade bale ta ba bale le bade ni ki bale bale dengan kerpat ladi ki we ki company ki kerpat ndai ta kesurkan Toya trelang gide ikon gikti gihmen gipara di jongi giba imja giba saya kayin kasen lengba kajing bela jongi kaba man kasni klem sange ndon slap ndon ram hakmat jongi nama kade kaba koridor tam ya kajing Tengah kuak ban om namar kata. Ko kilong kebe kilong pa. Sibit ada pio ikan ada cek. Ni de kesorka. Ida pai ka kmat syau ke yu basijro. Ba un kerku ya pi ki bayo. Bat ru ya kitu ki pempat register skobha nado la syai ka ski late register. Ba pinyo ya kane ka cingi yarap kapade ka token na kalian jo ka sorkar kum ka jing ya don tilang jong ni bat nang ba pinang la bat pen he ya ka kamai ka gaji hamne hapo yo tu to play tengah un kur khu ko do kan mau lem ya ka sarkar hapo je lam jong ba kon ra sama kan mau lem ya ki ministers kan mau ya ki nom tre sarkar bo ya duai lem bagi nang la ban syakri ka ba Wat lamin mà xua tim mà xua bể ngõ việc thì tôi ya bể tôi ya tim nó lên tăng một cái máu lên về chúng tôi tăng xí loài potrai kena terkhu ya ke sarkar apa kajiram jong kerat sana kenang ba kajing kerku kamde tanya rahima hande hapo melim nikwa ban sapriang ya ka kubur ka babha Yaki hima paro hakajat penriu jongi bat kumju hapo karilum gar. Kuble unkut ku yagi kuble yuki syata.
Kuble Shibun ba Pastun Teksop, Shibun Menteri Ramba Jong Kejela Meghalaya. Nak bentar Ketua Kejingkran ba IMC Kumno ke sarkar lang bat kahima melim deploy ben stock ni lang bat hibaro kinong syom snong bat kinong trei hapo kayo bat perkelai yodo awen yo bapona baput kabadan buram tam tam haka jelajuni bat haka dibro trei haka dibro kowe kani kanam urlang lada kinong susnong bat kinong tre hayo hi bai ba baron ni baro ini mes nok tilang te ka sarkar ka kloi ban ai jingrap hakibun ko kawai ni jingrap ki baping implementasi menta inyepet ya koi ka video ka badai kata ka urban livelihood grant ni ko boong 15 kajing ai da pembahas iki kamram ikamai kaji jing belaju pi hanya request the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, to officially launch the CM Urban Livelihood Grant video.
Bustling traditional market in the heart of Shillong stands as one of the largest wholesale and retail hubs in Meghalaya. This vibrant marketplace houses over 4,300 shops and supports more than 600 vendors, from fresh vegetables and textiles to indigenous handicrafts. It is a living symbol of Meghalaya's cultural commerce. During his recent visit, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, engaged directly with local business owners to understand the practical challenges they face in scaling their operations and accessing capital. The government responded swiftly, sanctioning infrastructure projects for upgrades and enhanced public amenities across the market. But infrastructure is just one piece of the puzzle. The newly launched Chief Minister's Urban Livelihood Grant is a comprehensive welfare initiative supporting economically vulnerable individuals in informal urban livelihoods. The scheme provides rupees 10,000 as a one-time business scale-up grant to informal businesses in recognized urban markets. This empowers beneficiaries to invest in equipment upgrades, marketing materials, and operational improvements. And this is just the first step. Beneficiaries can further apply under the CM Elevate SEED program to access 50% subsidy loans for scaling up their businesses, expanding operations, and creating jobs. From Yodo to every market in Meghalaya, the government stands with the people, empowering livelihoods, strengthening communities, and building a vibrant urban economy.
Bleshibun tentang yang subha iromba wi jingai bagasutu batsngap iji tepat lupai ba. We request the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Konrad K. Sangma, to kindly address the gathering.
Our respected Deputy Chief Ministers, Preston Tinsong and Masnga Balamdhar, our respected Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Kong Amperin Lingdong, our respected MLA, Pasanbor Shulai, our CM of Hima Ilim, Baim Ainam Manik CM, our former CEM, who's present with us here today, all the mantris of the Hima Ilim, all our officials of different departments who are present out here today, but most importantly, all our small-time vendors, different shopkeepers, our different street vendors, and all the people who are running their livelihood by working day and night in different urban markets of Shillong, of the state of Meghalaya, but as of today, of the Yodo market. At the very outset, I would like to thank God for giving us this wonderful day, and most importantly for blessing us with all the wonderful blessings, including the different programs and schemes that we are launching today. I remember in 1988, 89, 90, when I was a small boy studying in class 6, 7 and 8 in St. Edmund's School in Shillong. There were many days where I used to go to Bara Bazaar along with my mother and along with our family members and some of the people who are working with us. And you will not believe, but I was a regular visitor to Yodo or to Bara Bazaar market in those times in 1988, 89 and 90. And even after almost close to 35 years, Yodo has not changed. And there has been no major development that has taken place, which I strongly feel does not go with the overall economic growth story of our nation and of our state. When everybody is moving forward, why isn't Yodo market and area moving forward? I speak about a $10 billion economy. I speak about building big roads. I speak about building a big secretariat, big stadiums. But all of this will mean nothing if we cannot change the livelihood of our common citizens. If we cannot make a difference in the small families and individuals who work every day from morning to evening, struggling to earn their daily livelihood. And therefore, our growth story is incomplete without the growth story of our small vendors, of our small shopkeepers, of our farmers, of our entrepreneurs who are trying to build up their business, of our women folk who work every day, tirelessly, take care of their families, and yet are able to earn a daily livelihood. And friends, it is with this thought that our government, our deputy chief ministers, our cabinet ministers, our officials, we have decided that we will visit Yodo, and we did in the month of May. And when we visited, I was telling in a very light way, in a very casual way, I was telling the people out there that I was so happy that it rained that day. And I think it was caught on camera also, I didn't do it on purpose. But it was caught on camera that I was happy it rained. And the reason I was happy that it rained was because I got to see and feel what all of you feel every day. We got to understand what you go through every day. And we cannot make decisions that impact your lives by simply sitting in secretariat and in the comfort of our offices and decide what development and what schemes you need. It can only be done by feeling and going through what all of you are going through every day. And that moment made me decide that we have to change and improve the overall working conditions in Yodo and all the other market areas in the urban areas slowly and steadily. But we start with Yodo because Yodo is our traditional market. It's a market where for decades our people have been trading, having different businesses, and people from all over Khasi Hills today come to Yodo and try to earn their living and do business and do trade. What better place to start this reform program than to start with Yodo? And friends, as already mentioned by Deputy CM in charge of Urban Affairs, we have already initiated the first process of 5 crores worth of improvement, and you must have seen today also we were surveying and we were checking the work that is being done. And today we have also laid down the foundation for the second phase of 13 plus crores, almost 14 crores of funds which have been sanctioned through the NEC. And I thank our donor minister, Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia ji, for his generosity. And after we have discussed with him about the importance of Yodo, he has very, very happily sanctioned the money, and today we have laid the foundation stone for the second phase of the Yodo beautification project. And we are already preparing the DPR for the third phase, which is going to amount to almost close to 20 crores for the third phase of the Yodo beautification project, which means in total almost close to 40-45 crores is going to be spent to improve the overall infrastructure and beautification of Yodo market, which, as I mentioned in the beginning of my speech, which has been pending for a very, very long time, and people working there deserve this. My only request to all of you would be that this is our market, this is your market. And so while the government does its part, while the HEMA Milim does its part, I think as vendors, as shopkeepers, we also, all of you have a responsibility to keep Yodo clean, to ensure that whatever you can do to maintain the cleanliness around your shops. I think if everybody, all the 5,500 different shopkeepers and vendors, if we all come together and do our part, I'm sure that Yodo will become one of the most beautiful markets, not just in Shillong, but in the whole of Northeast and the whole of India. That's really what our mission is, and I seek your cooperation in order to be able to achieve that goal. The second program today is again an idea that came to me when I was there that day in Yodo, walking through those alleys, meeting the small street vendors and looking at the overall condition and difficulties that they work with. And I realized that while they're working, government must intervene in some way or the other. It is not really about just the money or just the scheme that we're giving. I think the larger message is about dignity. It is about the fact that government would like to tell you that what you are doing is also something very important. What you're doing today is you are earning your livelihood for your family and your dignity is there. The message is that the government is with you and standing by you in small ways, in big ways, to do and to support you in whatever possible way to enhance your livelihood and take you forward. So the larger message, as I said, it's not about the money, it's not just about the scheme, but it is about dignity, and it is about the message from the government that we will work together with you and take this forward. So today is a very small token. We are starting with a 10,000 rupee token for all the registered vendors who have registered with the HIMA Million. And those who have not registered, please register so that you can also avail this scheme. And I also want to share with you that this money is something that we wish to transfer directly into your account. So it will be a DBT, direct benefit transfer. And therefore I request all of you to please give your bank accounts to the HIMA. When we get the bank accounts, this money will be debited or given credit to you directly to your bank account, so that there is no transaction issue and no need to give checks, nothing. Directly the money will go into your accounts. And as mentioned by Honorable Deputy CM, the management of Yodo market is not something that government will intervene. We are not here to disturb or to regulate Yodo market. Please don't think that we are asking for registration to find out how we can regulate. No. We are here to help. And as a government, for us, we cannot do schemes and give money without a proper system. And therefore, a system has to be created. And therefore, this registration is being done to help us create a system, a registration which will be maintained and managed by the HIMA Million, and government will not interfere in the day-to-day functioning of the market area. But more importantly, it will also help the HIMA also to know who are the regular vendors and who are the vendors who are coming every now and then and going away. I think this will help the overall management for the HIMA Million to manage the Yodo market in a much better manner. And in the long run, we are starting with 10,000 rupees as a one-time grant to all of you who are registered. Some who have not registered, don't think you're left out. You have time, you can register after you complete the formalities with the HIMA. And once that is done, then you will also get the one-time transaction of the grant that we're giving. And slowly and steadily, as we move further and as we incorporate other urban markets, because if you remember, this is a scheme called the Chief Minister's Urban Livelihood Grant Scheme. So this is for all urban municipal areas around the state, wherever there are market areas. Our idea is to help the street vendors, to help the different hawkers and support them in financial ways or whatever way government can. So this scheme has been created for that, and as we move along, I am hopeful that we will be able to help and support you in many other ways in the days to come. So friends, I will not take much time. I once again would like to thank our CM of HIMA Million and all the mantris and all the members and officials of the HIMA Million And I also would like to thank our urban affairs and municipal officials for making this happen. I thank our NEC and donor ministry for sanctioning this project. And most importantly, I thank you all for coming here today and being with us in this program. As I said, this program is yours. This scheme that we're making is for you. And I hope that you will use these funds in a positive and constructive manner. And I will continue, and we will all continue to support you in the future in every possible way. So with these few words, once again, wishing you all the very best, and may God bless each and every one of you. Kublai Shibun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.
Sa sisi ni ada di hati kebajam na kebenta menteri lembak ini semua orang ikon lembak ini isnya berkutu pasal rejim depan kuat ba. Kumpa pilih SOB orang inam lah berondra ekonomi jingkala lada mpi barok kebadan lang hangi tim kain try ialah kacung kayo. Ini masalah lain terkadang jingkala fair kebaga sarkar kepersian berlek syawai orang kamen tu lada amnak masalah sunayo. Pemerintah Siru kita sudah bu umon rem nak kebentar kata kebentar kebaar untuk jemput kelab jemput internet ya kayo do. Sesisil berombe nak khasi kani kayo jompi ribet sumareka berkoi berli kendon kani kanon ra ya jingkala. Yang jopile tadi kebadan buram dia berong kinong sungyo pimlik badan buram dekat kam kabarit ni kabahe borok badan buram sarkar pa ofis muthu ya kata. Maka keluar masa nak aktif dalam berpi, ban kenti dah, ya kayu kuat jumpi. Kau ini hilang nanti.